Harvest family. My name is Rachel and I'm from Kick. And today we're going to be learning a dance routine. I know it's been all a bit crazy at the moment, but it's beautiful that Spring Harvest is bringing it to your home and to your living room. So as part of the worship, as part of seminars and speakers and meeting, we thought we'd do a dance workshop as well, like we usually do at Spring Harvest. So just to make sure you've got a bit of space in your home today. We're not doing anything too crazy, we're just making sure you have a bit of space. So I'm doing two routines this year. There's the first one is more of a fun, upbeat one. This one is going to be more of a worship, contemporary piece, more lyrical piece. So I love this worship song that I've brought for you today. It's called My Father's House by Corey. It's just such a beautiful song. It's basically coming into the presence of God, coming into his house, his home, bringing all our rubbish, leaving it at the door, leaving it at the foot of the cross, and just being with him in his presence. So yeah, I thought I'd just teach a bit of a routine. I just want you to let go, worship him as you dance with us today, because I love to dance and I love worship. So I've mashed it together, put it together. So hopefully you'll be blessed by this routine today. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to start with your feet slightly apart. You're going to bring your left hand up to your heart, and then from there you're going to wave your hand down to here. Now you can either just bring your hand down or you can just wave it. I'm just waving it through my fingers down to here. So it goes here, wave it down, boom. From here you're going to throw it up. As you get to the top, you're going to drop the hand, you're going to look to the right. So it goes heart, boom, tap, hand, round, and look. Then your hand is going to grab the side of your cheek and you're going to bring it to the front. From here, your hand's going to go, so it's going to switch to up and it's going to come round your head. At the same time, you're going to pull your head down. Then you're going to swap, pull it down to the other side. So it's just like a pulling kind of from one side to the next. So from here, it goes boom, boom, ha, round, drop and look, head to the front, over and over. And then as you come up, your hands are going to come up to your shoulders here. From there, your arms are just going to come forward and back in. If I show you from the side, it goes here, boom, I'm going to lean back if you want to, and then boom. So really grasp your body and your heart. So from the top, boom, ta, ta, up and look, grab your face to the front, over your head and pull and up, ha. Yeah, so just really don't be scared to grab part of your body and just really let go. Shake it all off and just let the Holy Spirit take over. Okay, let's try it from the top just so you can hear the song and you can get a bit of a vibe of where I'm going today. I've been doing this song all day and worshipping to it and I absolutely love it. The first bit of the dance is you just being there. You can pray, you can just soak, whatever you want to do for the first little bit. Okay, the first move comes in now.
Sometimes on this journey, I get lost in my mistakes. What looks to me like weakness is a canvas for your strength. And my story isn't over.
Nice, great. So just really grab yourself there. All right, I'm just going to carry on teaching it, but if at any point you want to stop, then please do, and then rewind and come back to it. Okay, from there, here, your left hand is going to go up as you step forward with your left leg. So up, up. So it just goes 1, 2. So it goes 1, 2, 3. So your right hand drops, your left hand just comes into like a little plate, then it goes to the side, and then it goes to this side. So it goes 1, 2, plate, here, and then slowly comes to this side. So the speed goes 1, 2, drop, drop, slow. Yeah, and again. Arm, drop, twist, slow. From there, your back leg, so it's your left leg, is going to come up, like you're going to go for a run, and then you're going to run backwards. Bomb, 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 and then come up. So it's talked about coming to the start, coming clean, coming fresh again. So your leg comes up and then you go run back to here. Just going to carry on teaching. Everything on your left-hand side, sorry, your right-hand side is going to come over. So you can see the leg goes from here to here. At the same time, the arm just scoops over. So you're going to go arm and leg. And then the other side, but this time you do it on the spot. Arm and leg. Then this next move, your left hand that's here is going to go over and your other arm is going to follow. So it goes 1, 2, here. At the same time, you're going to spin around. So it goes this arm here, this arm over, then again that left arm as you spin around. So just take your time, just spin around. Then you're going to repeat that section again. Right, left, over, you go. And then you can just take a moment to breathe in this minute. Okay, the last little bit. You're going to do 4 breaths for me. Such a beautiful song, this bit. So you're just going to take 4 breaths in this moment. So your chest, you drop 1, drop 2, drop 3. On the 4th one, your arms come up and your head drops. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to swing your arms up and round and down to your knees. So it's like you just breath, the breath of life, swinging around and drop. I'm going to play it with the music so you can hear that timing.
Sometimes on this journey, I get lost in my mistakes. What looks to me like weakness is a canvas for your strength. And my story isn't over, my story's just begun. Failure won't define me, 'cause that's what my Father does. Yeah, failure won't define me, 'cause that's what my Father does.
4 breaths. 1. So it talks about laying your burden down. So yeah, you just take it round and drop. Last little bit. You're going to do a little run in that direction. We start with your right leg, right, left, right. As your right comes up, you're just gonna like contract in your stomach, boom. Same time, your arms can come around, one arm, however you like to do it. So you're gonna go run, run, knee, other side, run, run, knee. I'm taking my back knee every time. So this back knee, then this back knee, but it doesn't matter which knee you take, just take it round, take it through one arm. So this way, run, run, boom, other side, run, run, boom. From here, we're gonna do another turn. It can be a technical turn, so you can take it technical and then take it on the leg and turn, or you can just do it round, spin it round, however you like to take it round. So the timing goes run, run, knee, run, run, knee, and then take it round, and then breathe. Great. Okay, let's walk it from the top. Goes heart. Actually, let's just go straight with the music. I love it. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sometimes on this journey, I get lost in my mistakes. What looks to me like weakness is a canvas for your strength. And my story isn't over, my story's just begun. And failure won't define me, 'cause that's what my Father does. Yeah, failure won't define me, 'cause that's what my Father does.
And breathe. Swim around and run. Run, 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 and spin around. And now it's a freestyle, let it go. So yeah, just at the end, like I did, just let it go. lay down on the floor, you can just stand there, just worship and let go. Guys, God bless you. Hopefully this has just encouraged you and just move something in your spirit today. God bless you. If you want to take a video of your dance routine and share it with Kick London or hashtag SH2020 with dance at the end, then please do, because I would just love to see you worship, love just to see you let go. God bless you guys.